My name is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing. Target. Target is not a subscription box, but Target is a if you log on to Target.com, you search for Target Beauty box, and monthly they change the box different ones. So basically it's $7 for each box, and you know what is inside the box because you can see it. So you pick the one that you like it and the more convenience for you, and you get the box. So let's check it out what is inside. The water for you when you open the box. This is how that looks. It's really cute. I mean, you have tissue paper. You have all your goodies here. Okay, let's see. Okay, our first product is gonna be here. Is by Sea Moisture Skin Rescue Cream Cleanser, cruelty free. So it's 4-ounce bottle, so really good size, and the box is $7, so this is a really good product. The next product, and our next product is right here. Yep, it's right here. So it's by Spring and Vine Shampoo Bar, Tea Tree and Mint, 3.5 ounce, and is cruelty free and vegan. It's a concentrate formula with essential oils. So here we go. Not bad. Our next product here is by Pacifica, and yes, it's a glowing glycolic acid, orange and vanilla makeup removing wipes, 10 wipes in this package. I mean, not bad. So it's always good to know, so I'm so happy about it. And our next product, it's gonna be there you go, the Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm, good for damaged hair, to leave it on treatment. So this is a hair product, hair treatment. So let me see, it's 2-ounce bottle. So there you go. And our last product here is a sample size, and it's from Accor. Overnight glycolic treatment, refine and hydrate for all skin types. There you go. It's cruelty free too. It's 100% vegan, and another new product to try. And each box bring always a coupon when you spend $15 in cosmetics, skincare, hair care. So you have always $3 off. So it's good to have it. I mean, just in case. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another unboxing. So I have a video coming up that is from Allure, my first Allure, and see you soon. Bye.